In this video, I'll show you how to bypass Discord 10 megabytes limit. The first method is to compress your files in a zip archive. Right-click on your file and click Send to, then Compressed or Zipped folder. Right-click on your file, then choose Compress. Once compressed, upload the zip file to Discord. If it's still too large, try the next method, which is upload your file to Google Drive. Open Google Drive and sign in, then click New, then File Upload and select your file. Once uploaded, just right-click on the file and choose Share. Click Copy Link and set the file permissions as needed. Now all you have to do is pass the copied link into a Discord chat or server. Your friends can access and download the file via the link. And that's it. With these methods, you can easily share large files on Discord. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.